In this video, I am going to show you how to make a player shoot in Godot in 3 minutes. In the last video, I have shown how to make a player movement. Now I am going to make the player look at the cursor. For that, first we will go to our player script. Now under physics process delta, add this line of code. Now if we run it, our player will look at the cursor and it works. Now make a new scene, add a rigid body 2D. Name the rigid body 2D bullet. Under rigid body 2D, add collision shape 2D and a sprite node. I am just going to use the Godot icon for the bullet. Make it small and rectangular like a bullet. Then add the collision shape and make it the size of the sprite. After that, save the scene and our bullet scene is done. Now go to our player scene and add a node 2D. Rename it to bullet point. This is where our bullet would spawn. You can place it wherever you want, but I will place it in front of our player because I want my bullets to spawn here. After that, go to project settings, under input map, add a input called fire. This input will make our player fire. Click the little plus icon and I am going to use the left click button to fire. You can use anything you want. Now go to our player script. Now add a export variable of bullet speed, make it a high number. Also add a export variable of fire rate, make it a low number. Then add a variable of bullet and preload our bullet scene. Add a variable of can fire, make it true. Then under physics process delta, add this line of code. If input dot is action pressed, our fire input and can fire is true. Then variable of bullet instance equal bullet dot instance. This bullet here refers to this bullet. Then bullet instance dot position equal our bullet point we added to the player dot get global position. Then add bullet instance dot rotation degree equal rotation degree. Then our last line bullet instance dot apply impulse vector 2 comma vector 2 bullet speed comma 0 dot rotated rotation. Then we'll spawn the bullet using getTree.getRoot.addChild bullet instance. Now if we run it, we can see we can fire bullets, but a lot of bullets spawns every time we fire. We can fix this a very easy way. In the player script under the getTree line, add this line of code. Can fire equal false. This is the same variable as this. Now add this line of code. Yield getTree.createTimer. This will create a timer and the timer length is our fire rate. By doing so, you can adjust the bullet speed from here. This will make things easier in the future. Then when the time runs out, we will call a signal timeout and our can fire will be true. So now if we run it, we can see bullets fire every 1 second. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you learned something. Like, share and comment. Till then, subscribe.